Alright guys, welcome back. This is day 6 with the Ford Ranger. Today what we're going to be doing is changing out the evaporator that I've been saying so much. So that's what we're going to do today, and hopefully when we get there, I'll put the motor mounts in it and start building the suspension back up. That way, the next steps that we got is just basically swapping the harness from the old engine to the new used engine and dropping the engine in and making it run. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we got it out. I got it out a little bit unconventionally, because I'm gonna put everything new, so I just didn't even bother taking anything apart. But here's why I was so, we're gonna do this. I mean, just look at it. I mean, if you guys have experience, this is completely normal. Like, this is nothing out of the ordinary. Like, all these boxes get like this with the years, like, no matter what you do. So, yeah, that's why I was like, yeah, we're gonna do this. And it's because of that right there. So, we're gonna get to cleaning it now. Putting this the evaporator back in, but new, and then just taking off the fan too to clean the fan, cleaning it all up like the box, and then putting it together, and that's it. We'll have some good AC in the inside, so you can see the fan right there. That's what we're gonna clean next. Okay, so I cleaned the fan blade. I don't even know if this works, honestly, but I mean, I'm here, might as well clean it. It spins freely, so my best guess is that it works. I also make sure that the way it gets cooled was cleared, no leaks or anything in there. And basically that's it, just a little bit of water and soap and a brush, and that's about it. I'm gonna put it back now. I think the hardest part of all is getting it past these two heater cords. So just take your time with it. I mean, don't be in a rush doing this. Make sure the evaporator is sat well where it's gotta sit, and then give it another try. Like that. It's getting close enough now. All you gotta do is the bottom part. There you go. Make sure it claps together. There you go. It's gotta sit closed by itself. If it's not, like, if it's staying open, don't try to drive it in with the screw. Something is wrong. All right, so now we got that installed. It's all good to go. What I'm actually do, I'm gonna do it off camera because I don't have it with me right now. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of foam there and a little bit of foam on the top. This is not recommended. This is not how they tell you to do it, but this is the way I do it. I'll show you guys when I spray it. So now we're gonna move on to the motor mounts. Driver's side and passenger side. tighten it from the bottom, and then next up is suspension. I don't know if we'll finish suspension today, but we'll get started on it for sure. Okay, so we installed the motor mount and torqued it down. It's good to go now. So now we're gonna move on to the suspension. All right, so we're gonna end day 6 here with suspension. I'm actually gonna do one piece, the sway bar. I wanna install a sway bar with the new energy suspension sway bar bushing kits. They're pretty good. They seem really stiff, the bushing. So we're gonna go ahead and get that on today, and then the rest will be day 7. Man, that is stiff. That thing ain't going nowhere. What a better way to end day 6. Look at that sunset. Real nice. So there you go. You saw us install the sway bar and energy suspension sway bar bushing. Man, real stiff. Like, it wouldn't move compared to the OEM one. It would just move real easy. So I feel like that's gonna be a nice upgrade. And next episode will be day 7, where we do suspension work. I'm not ready for that. It's gonna be a lot of work that we gotta do. We're changing absolutely everything. Shocks. I mean, just look. Bearings, the whole 9.